So, a long time ago, I made a video on my hot water situation here at the cabin. I used to have a 110 hot water heater, and it drew so much. Well, it drew a lot even on the solar because it was consistent draw.
Yeah, my dad actually made me a sword. It's honestly kind of sharp if you look right here. Look at the handle. It's really, really smooth. And the handle size is really, really small because I had to hold, like right here, my pinkies off of it. And the rest, my left hand, is like perfectly on it.
I had a scrap piece of hickory, and he was like, "Daddy, you could make me a sword," so I made him that. But, because I love him. Do I love you?
I love you, Dad.
Yeah. So, anyway, back to the hot water heater situation. So, a lot of people were curious about my hot water heater, and I took the 110 element out, and I bought this 12 volt 200 watt element. Now, it's got its own built-in thermostat, and originally I wired it to a 100 watt solar panel, and essentially it did nothing. It made the water warm at best. So I was trying to come up with a solution. So I just wired it to my battery bank and then added another charge controller, a small charge controller for the panel that I had that was just solely for this. So I tied it into my battery bank and tied the panel in and just wired it up that way. Yeah, the wiring is a temporary situation. I just kind of threw it together the other day. But now the hot water heater, I can leave it on, set the thermostat, and I always got hot water. And it barely seems to put any drain on my batteries. So, yeah, that was my hot water heater setup. Somebody had asked me about that before, and like I said, initially...
Try to chop the fence?
No, you can't chop my rails up.
How about this one skinny one that won't work?
Initially, I had it just on this single panel, but like I said, I added that charge controller. This house has a lot of charge controllers. So, and then the switch right here is basically a kill switch for the panel, so I can shut it down if I need to service it.
Dad, guess what?
Yeah, this little pump right here has been awesome. Leave my switches on. Don't mess with stuff, go. And then I got my water filter. I cracked it putting it in, but it didn't crack it in a bad spot, so it didn't leak or nothing. But my water shed, you can see I'm halfway into my tote here. We need to get some rain.
And why do you always collect bottles?
So I can shoot them.
Shoot them?
I fill them with water and wow.
But why did they go behind this thing?
Because I threw them in there. But anyway, that's my water system. No, you can't slice one. Move out of the way. Let me close the door. There's probably a wasp nest in there. Yeah, don't ever open that. They'll get you. But anyway, that was a brief update with my water heater situation. If you have any questions about how I did it or whatever, I mean, it's real simple. So, peace out.